What's up, YouTube? Cabo's Adventures here, Kentucky Boys Media, and CNR Hunting and Arsenal. Just figured I'd shoot some content of the snowfall. They've been calling for it for the last couple days, and we just haven't got any of it yet. Finally fell last night. But yeah, beautiful looking. But yeah. The snow is pretty good to make a snowman out of. I mean, it's not the best, but you might be able to do it, because you can make like smaller snowballs and stuff, but yeah. It's probably like 4 inches of snow, maybe 5 inches. But yeah. Just figured I'd lay some content down of the snowfall we got here in Kentucky. You all stay tuned for more content, and make sure you all hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.